This is a segment I like to call Gary Says.
This is a segment that I like to call Gary Says on the date 11/29, Tuesday. Action. So you're chilling, so you're eating these beautiful rigid chips, and you see a beautiful girl walking by. You yell, "Hey, yo, ma!" So then when she turns around, she's gotta, "What's poppin'?" And then when she says nothing much, you say, "Let's go back to my house, do the wild thing." And then when she says, "I can't," and that's when you just gotta slap a bitch.
How you gotta slap him? Like with the this way or that way? Oh.
Slap a bitch.
Oh, the backhand smack.
Yep.
That's the strong hand?
Yep. Until next time, my good followers, are the wise words of Gary Garland, bro.
True story. Swag.